Hi, I'm Joe with 50-Shot Unite Vapeware. I'm going to go ahead and show how to replace the spring inside a 50-Shot gun today. I'm going to aim this down at the ground. And so first and foremost, you go ahead and pull the plunger completely out of the 50-Shot, unscrew the polycarbonate oil cylinder. And then on the back of the plunger, you're going to unscrew the ball. And then what I always do is I just press down on the button, go ahead and let this plunger slide out, the plunger shaft slide out. You'll see on the bottom of the plunger shaft all the teeth for the calibration for the point. Each one of these is for a 0.5 calibration. This always has to face down when you're putting it back in. So still got your thumb on that button. Now you're gonna turn it upside down, put your thumb over your hand, remove it, and then pull the trigger. You'll see the button pop out, boom. If you do that, otherwise it goes shooting out all over the place. And the spring here, if this gets lost, it's very difficult to find. So yeah, that's basically how you take it apart. Putting it back together, what I'll do is I'll take the clip, put the spring in it first, and then put it flat on my hand. And then I take the gun itself, and this little divot back here, that little divot, the button clip has to slide through, and the hole has to have that divot go through it. So this little hole right here is going to be this little metal post is going to go through that. So once again, then I go ahead and I just lower the 50-Shot down, because you can see the little clip right in there, the little slit where it has to go right there. And so I just go right down on top of it and then pull the trigger, depress it completely, and then I'll just keep my finger on it. So now it's still in there, and if you press the button, it's going to want to come out. See how it pops out? So again, you can lock it in. Teeth facing down on the plunger. Go ahead and slide it back in, and then give it a click. That locks it into place so it's not sliding back and forth. Then you can just go ahead and screw on the metal ball, and then put on the polycarbonate oil cylinder. And that is how you replace the spring inside the 50-Shot gun. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. You can reach us at 916-287-0144. 916-287-0144. Take care.